Can you answer her, Mocha?
I think I talked about it this morning and told Lana, but then I think she said she didn't feed him. And
Yeah. Oh, are we gonna sit up? Oh no, we're gonna
she
roll.
loves her stomach.
We're gonna roll over,
Oh yeah.
and then we're gonna get our. Okay, Mocha, you gotta move. Well, you're not making this very easy, you know.
No, she's not really the easiest to get dressed sometimes. Maisie, you listen to Grandma now.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. You weren't making any sounds a few minutes ago, and now you're just all full.
She's putting on a real show for Grandma.
Right?
Oh. Well, I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. Oh.
She doesn't like clothes, I don't think.
She's like, I like to be naked, Grandma. I don't want to wear clothes.
She's a naked hippie like her daddy said.
Oh, now you're pinching me.
And she's a real good fisher.
Yeah. Oh, so it's not just me, huh?
No, she doesn't. As you can see,
Look at this cute little child.
and she pinches me.
Oh, you can't eat your clothes. I'm going to have to read more about Libras. Oh. Oh my goodness.
That's the way she is every night after bathing.
Really?
Yeah. She throws like this fit.
Oh goodness. Yes, reach for the sky.
I'm getting this all on video here.
Oh yeah.
I was wondering if you were on the phone or.
No, I want to get it Grandma dressing her grandbaby.
Oh my goodness. Oh, we're gonna lay down and get those pants up in the back, and we're done.
That's a kind of a fakey cry. Like, what are you crying about? Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Look at the doggies.
Poor Maisie.
Mocha's not crying.
Right?
Mocha's not crying.
Poor Maisie.
Yeah. Look, Mocha's being a good boy. You're not crying like a baby. Like Maisie. Oh my goodness. Let's get the neck.
Maisie. Maisie.
Grandpa.
Maisie.
Maisie. Gosh, you're a workout just to get dressed.